morning guys, welcome to my...
Alright guys, ito na naman tayo guys. So, gumawa ko ng salad guys. So, ampalaya, pipino with onion. Mayroon siyang ginger, mayroon siyang pamintang powder, suka, tsaka asin, tsaka may kunting brown sugar. Lagyan ng kunting sili. Guys, tikman natin guys yung ginawa ko guys. Sarap guys oh. Nom nom. Yup. Malutong. Ayos.
Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe, like, and share. And click the notification bell para updated po kayo sa lahat ng mga videos namin. Thank you! Bye-bye! Mwah!